yesterday, just a quick recap. What we did was we did about general planning scenarios, different types of planning, and then what we did was we just had a touch base of what is forecasting and what is budgeting. So we try to cover a very high level planning concepts, right? That is generally used as part of the BPC, correct?
Yeah.
So if I may, can you just recap me what we, on a very high level, what you came to know about forecasting, or what you came to know about budgeting, or what you came to know about planning?
Yeah, I came to know that there are three types of planning. Strategic one, which concentrates on sales and revenue. Next, operating planning, which is technically it is called as OPEX, where it deals with cost and expenses. And the third one is long range planning. Technically it is CAPEX, which deals on investing. And speaking about forecasting is like predicting the future based on the current information we have.